Hello! In this video, we are going to walk you through an overview of the financial aid page of Student Self-Service. This is the main page of financial aid. If you scroll down, you can see the checklist items that you've completed or items that need attention. To the right-hand side, you will find helpful links that go to some of the items required for financial aid, such as entrance counseling and MPN, also known as Master Promissory Notes, as well as our handbook. At the very bottom is your loan history. This does not show an award. Scrolling further, at the very bottom of the page, you will find the contact information for the Office of Financial Aid. On the checklist portion of the screen, students can click the option that says Review and accept your financial aid award package. When you click this, it will now take you to the landing page where the pending financial aid can be found. At the very top of the page, you will see a drop-down menu to select award year. This will default to the current financial aid year, and this is where you will find grants and scholarships. In the center of the page to the right, you will find About Pell Grants. This gives you a description of what the Pell Grant is, how it's paid, etc. You can click here to read more. To the left is the breakdown of the Pell and what terms the offer is pending. This is not the amount that will be paid, just the amount offered. The amount paid depends on number of credits you register for in each of those terms. If you continue to scroll down, you will see the loan offers starting with the subsidized loan. This is only if you're eligible. Not all students will have this, or the Pell. It's a need-based award offer, and not all qualify. The right side shows the loan amounts broken down for each term in which you can get financial aid. You must stick to this attendance pattern to ensure aid is distributed. Below, you will find the explanation about the subsidized loan. Below that, you will see Accept or Decline. This is where you can take action to accept the loan or reject it. As you continue to scroll, if you have an offer for an unsubsidized loan, it will be here. Similarly to previous pages, the right shows the dollar amount for each term. The middle provides information about the unsubsidized loan, and the bottom middle shows the option to either accept or decline. You'll notice the red box indicating you must take the subsidized loan before the unsubsidized loan. The reason for this is because the subsidized loan does not accrue interest while you are enrolled, but the unsubsidized loan does accrue interest from when it's disbursed. You should take advantage of the grants and the subsidized loans, as there is no interest as long as you are enrolled in courses in a degree-seeking program. At the very bottom, you will see the full award amount for the year, broken down into each term. Below is the loan requirement checklist as a reminder that if you do accept the loan, you must complete the checklist items. Students can click on the links here and will be taken directly to complete the Master Promissory Note, the entrance counseling, and the student acknowledgement if it has yet to be done. If you have a verification issue or need to submit additional documents, you can click the Missing Documents link, Complete Required Documents. The next page will show you what you're missing. And if you click on the link that says More, it will tell you exactly what needs to be done and if any action on your behalf is needed, or even what the school would be working on. That concludes our video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye now.